Ian and Barley Lightfoot are two elf brothers living in a world once full of magic. However, as time passed, magic faded, replaced by modern technology. The brothers live with their mother Laurel and lead simple lives. On Ian's 16th birthday, their mother reveals a special gift from their late father, a magical staff, a rare phoenix gem, and a spell to bring their father back for one day. Filled with excitement, the brothers decide to try the spell, hoping to see their father once more and share precious moments with him.
Ian, nervous yet determined, attempts the spell. At first, the magic begins to work, but something goes wrong. Only the lower half of their father materializes, his legs. Barley, who is passionate about magic and history, quickly understands the urgency. They must find another phoenix gem to complete the spell before time runs out. The brothers embark on an adventurous journey, filled with challenges and surprises. While Barley is confident and optimistic, Ian struggles with fear and self-doubt. Together, they form an unlikely team, determined to bring their father back.
Their journey begins in Barley's beloved van, Guinevere, a beat-up vehicle he considers a loyal companion. Barley, who adores legends and ancient tales, insists on following a magical map to locate the Phoenix Gem. As they travel, Ian learns more about his brother's eccentric interests and starts to see the value in his knowledge. Despite their differences, the brothers rely on each other to navigate their way through various magical challenges and riddles, building trust and understanding as they move forward.
One of their first stops is the Manticore's Tavern, a place once known for its adventurous spirit. The Manticore, a mythical creature with the body of a lion and wings of a bat, is now running the tavern as a family-friendly restaurant. Barley insists that she holds the key to finding the Phoenix Gem. After some persuasion, the Manticore reluctantly agrees to help. Her advice, though vague, sets the brothers on a dangerous path. Meanwhile, she reignites her adventurous spirit, deciding to help the brothers indirectly.
As they continue their journey, Ian discovers his hidden magical potential. He learns spells like levitation and creating invisible bridges. These abilities are essential for overcoming the obstacles they face. However, mastering magic is not easy for Ian, and he often doubts himself. Barley, on the other hand, remains supportive and encouraging. His unwavering belief in Ian's abilities inspires Ian to keep going, even when the journey seems impossible. This dynamic strengthens their bond and pushes them closer to their goal.
Meanwhile, their mother, Laurel, discovers that her sons are on a dangerous quest. Worried for their safety, she teams up with the Manticore to find them. The Manticore, now fully embracing her warrior past, becomes a fierce ally. Their journey parallels the brothers' adventure, showing that courage and determination are not limited to the young. Laurel's love for her sons drives her forward, overcoming her own fears to ensure their safety.
During the journey, the brothers face a gang of aggressive sprites. These tiny winged creatures, once peaceful, have become hostile due to the lack of magic in the world. The sprites challenge the brothers, creating chaos. Ian, using his newfound magical skills, manages to outsmart them. This victory boosts Ian's confidence and strengthens the brothers' resolve to complete their mission. They realize that teamwork is their greatest strength in overcoming obstacles.
As the brothers get closer to finding the Phoenix Gem, tensions rise. Ian begins to feel frustrated with Barley's carefree attitude, while Barley feels unappreciated for his efforts. A heated argument erupts, causing a temporary rift between them. However, as they reflect on their journey, they begin to understand each other's perspectives. This moment of self-awareness brings them closer, reminding them of their shared goal and the importance of their bond as brothers.
Finally, the brothers reach the location of the Phoenix Gem. It is hidden in a treacherous cave, guarded by a powerful magical curse. The curse takes the form of a giant dragon, made of debris and rubble from the surrounding area. The brothers must work together to overcome this final challenge. Ian's magical abilities and Barley's bravery prove to be a perfect combination. Despite the danger, they remain determined, knowing that completing the spell will give them the chance to see their father again.
After a fierce battle, the brothers retrieve the Phoenix Gem. With only minutes left before the spell's time limit runs out, Ian prepares to complete the spell. However, he makes a selfless decision. Realizing how much Barley has sacrificed for him throughout their lives, Ian steps aside and allows Barley to have the moment with their father. This act of love and gratitude highlights Ian's growth and maturity, showing how far he has come since the beginning of their journey.
While Barley shares a brief but meaningful moment with their father, Ian watches from a distance. Though he doesn't get to meet his father face to face, Ian feels a sense of closure. He realizes that he doesn't need magic to feel connected to his father's memory. The journey itself has taught him the value of family, bravery, and self-discovery. Ian's relationship with Barley becomes stronger than ever, built on mutual respect and understanding.
The brothers return home as heroes, having completed their quest and grown as individuals. Their mother is relieved to see them safe, and the Manticore becomes a local legend for her bravery. The town begins to rediscover its magical roots, inspired by the brothers' adventure. Ian continues to practice magic, while Barley remains his loyal supporter and guide. Their bond becomes an example of the power of love and unity in overcoming challenges.
The community begins to see the brothers as symbols of courage and determination. Ian, now more confident in himself, decides to share his magical knowledge with others in the town. He starts teaching young elves the basics of spells, hoping to reignite the sense of wonder and possibility that magic once brought to their world. Barley, with his boundless enthusiasm, becomes a storyteller, recounting their adventure and emphasizing the importance of family and teamwork. Together, they inspire others to embrace challenges and discover their own hidden strengths.
As life settles down, Ian reflects on his journey and how it has changed him. He remembers the obstacles they faced, the lessons he learned, and the courage he found within himself. The absence of his father no longer feels like a void, but rather a source of strength and motivation. Through the adventure, Ian realizes that his father's love and values were always present in his life, passed down through Barley and their mother. This realization fills him with gratitude and purpose.
Meanwhile, Barley takes pride in being a mentor to Ian and others in the community. His passion for history and magic finds a new purpose as he helps rediscover ancient artifacts and forgotten stories. The brothers' journey sparks a cultural revival in their town, with people embracing both the old ways of magic and the conveniences of modern technology. The balance between the two creates a harmonious environment where everyone can thrive.
The Manticore, rejuvenated by her involvement in the quest, reopens her tavern with a new mission. It becomes a hub for adventurers, dreamers, and storytellers, encouraging others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. She becomes a mentor figure in the community, sharing her wisdom and inspiring courage in those who visit her. Her partnership with Laurel also grows, and together they work to ensure the town remains a place of hope and adventure.
Laurel, proud of her son's bravery, decides to take on new challenges herself. She joins the Manticore in organizing community events that celebrate magic, history, and creativity. Her journey reminds everyone that growth and adventure are not limited to the young. Laurel's determination to support her sons and her community becomes a source of inspiration, proving that love and courage can conquer any fear or obstacle.
Ian continues to explore his magical abilities, pushing himself to learn more advanced spells. With Barley's encouragement, he begins experimenting with new ways to use magic to benefit their community. He creates enchanted tools, helps with repairs, and even finds ways to make daily life more enjoyable for everyone. His growth as a magician reflects his inner growth as a person, showcasing his newfound confidence and determination to make a positive impact.
As the town transforms, the brothers' story becomes a legend. Children look up to Ian and Barley, seeing them as examples of bravery and perseverance. Their adventure becomes a tale passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the importance of family, self-belief, and the courage to face the unknown. The brothers themselves remain humble, always emphasizing that their success was due to teamwork and the support of those around them.
In the end, Ian and Barley's journey is about more than just magic or adventure. It is a story of love, sacrifice, and personal growth. They discover that true magic lies in the bonds we share with others and the strength we find within ourselves. Their adventure leaves a lasting legacy in their town, inspiring others to embrace their own journeys. As they look to the future, Ian and Barley know that together they can overcome any challenge and continue to bring light and hope to their world.